So before we proceed, I just wanted to know about how was the overall training? How was your experience with the training? Like anything that you want to mention?
I think you're a phenomenal trainer and really appreciate the attention to detail and just, I know for me, if I were to get down the rabbit hole and build a dashboard, these tips and tricks that you are teaching me or us are going to save us so much time and frustration. So thank
Right.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
And any suggestions, like any improvements, any suggestions?
Um, I mean, no, I would say it's such a extensive tool and there's so much to learn and that
Exactly.
it's really just absorbing and practicing. So I think you've the course is very well laid out for us to absorb as much as we humanly can, but we are limited to what is possible.
Yes, definitely.